Hey everyone, just another Tesla guy here. Testing version 11.4.9. Just got the update. It's a storm here in New Jersey. It's dark, it's windy, it's rainy. So definitely gonna test to see how full self-driving will handle in this situation with the new update. And I'm just gonna engage full self-driving now. Blue lines here. Hands on the steering wheel. So with 11.4.9, they did change some updates with the visualization. Mainly the notification of you applying force on the steering wheel. They keep it more up and center now. Previously it was towards the bottom of the screen, so they did move it up. It's easier for you to see. Slowing down here. Alright, we're going. Okay. Full self-driving may be degraded, so that notification is still towards the bottom. Give me a left turn here. Okay, just missed it. So we're just waiting here. Alright, green light. Protected left turn. Let's go. Okay. Made the left turn. Okay, onto the highway now. Okay. Jump here. Not a lot of people. Pretty sure this storm is causing a lot of people to stay home. So again, more notification of saying that full self-driving may be degraded because of weather. Okay, we do have the exit right here. Right, choosing right fork. Okay, perfect. We'll stay on the right side of the fork, and we need to stay on the left side. Doing a good job of that. Left turn here. One thing that they did not add to this update is the minimal lane change. So right here you can see this option is still not highlighted by default. So I have to enable it every time so it doesn't make lane changes. Right, green light, let's go. Applying side force, there you go. It's on towards the top of the screen versus towards the bottom. One thing I am going to do is once I get the chance, I am going to move over to the middle lane, because underneath the highway here, the rain, whenever it rains, it gets pretty bad. Okay, just gonna move over to here because someone's making a left turn. Oh, never mind. Yeah, just gonna move over here. Okay, on the left side, it gets pretty bad. Hopefully, you guys were able to pick that up. Whenever it. Okay. Rains, that side just gets really drenched with water. So I did manually shift this car to the middle lane to avoid that. So far this drive has been going well. Lots of rain, lots of wind. It's slowing down here for this turn. That's still one of the main issues I have with full self-driving, is that it's really the slowdown, the phantom braking, especially when traffic is flowing, it's going pretty fast, and it just brakes. And if a car behind me is following too close, likely they will bump into me, and I just don't want that. I don't want that. So that's the one thing that I wish will get addressed. It's just those random slowdowns that shouldn't happen when traffic is flowing. It's doing a great job here. It's dark, it's rainy, lots of wind. New Jersey's under a state of emergency right now because of the storm, so doing great so far. Okay, slowing down again, that's not needed. There's plenty of space ahead of us, so I did press on the pedal for it to go. Yeah, really, it's just to slow down. Shouldn't need to do it. Does things that it shouldn't need to do. I know it's definitely trying to be safe and being cautious, but being safe and being cautious and that gets other cars to hit me, not a good thing. Sure, you know it's supposed to keep a distance from other cars, so even if they randomly do stop, you can stop that from hitting you, from you hitting them, but you just never know. Alright, we're changing lanes to follow route. Take a right turn. Don't slow down too much. Okay. So it did slow down. I did push the pedal just a little bit. Definitely the slowdown is one of the big issue. Handling this tight road with oncoming traffic, not a problem. Great job. Slow down because I saw that car coming. Don't slow down again. I did press on the pedal for it to go. It slowed down twice. It slowed down once. I saw that car coming. I don't think the car moved, so if I slow down once more. So I did press on the pedal that second time. To make a left turn here, and alright, I'm gonna let these cars go first. Alright, okay, good job on the left turn. Alright, saw that car. Moved a little bit to the right side when it was driving, and it saw that car that was parked there, so it corrected itself and moved back to the left side. I think it's very robotic in that it will try to stay center in the lane, but saw that car was there, so it moved back over. Normally we humans would not drive like that. We saw that car, we would just stay on the left side and avoiding that car. So very robotic in the way it does something. Nothing wrong with that, it's just not very human-like behavior. Right, applying a bit of force here. Handle that pretty well, good job. Right turn here. There is a puddle of water there, so I might take over to avoid the puddle of water. We'll see how it does. Not too bad. Alright. oncoming car, and it corrected itself about me. I was about to take over, but it corrected itself when it saw that car coming. Good job. It actually paused, let that car through before we went through. So I was about to correct itself, but it seemed like that car was gonna hit that oncoming car, but it corrected itself. And it stayed on the side afterwards to make sure that car had enough space to cross before we continued. So it was a really good job there. Alright, so I'm gonna make a left turn here. Creeping forward for visibility. Okay, we're clear. Being a little bit cautious. No, don't stop. It hesitated for a second. Took over because it wanted to go straight, but this way it's a little bit quicker. So I did take over. So I stopped and shop here to pick up some groceries. But overall, that was a really good job. Just again, those slows down from the car. But this side would have been a little bit quicker than the side than what the navigation was gonna do. So I did take over for that. Otherwise, great job on this new update. Thanks for watching this one. Bye for now.